sure you've been in grocery stores and seen the wide selections of vegetables, while some crops, such as corn, soybeans, cotton, summer squash, and potatoes, and even some varieties of apples contain GMOs. According to the FDA website, GMO, or genetically modified organism, has become the common term consumers use to describe foods that have been created through genetic engineering. My name is Kaylee Smith, and today I'm going to talk to you about the benefits of GMOs. I will begin by explaining how GMOs are better for the environment, then how they are cheaper for the consumer, and how they have added nutritional value. To begin, GMOs are better for the environment. According to dirttodinner.com, these technologies help farmers use less pesticide, less water, and less land. The usage of GMOs allows farmers to cut down on farm equipment. As a result of using less farm equipment, they are using less gas. Back in 2016, the environmental impact quotient was cut by 18.4%. That is the same as removing 16.7 million cars off the road. That's more the cars than all of California. Now that we have talked about the environmental impact GMOs have, let's move on to how they are cheaper for the consumer. According to Healthline.com, a study from back in 2014 found that GMO technology has reduced chemical pesticide use by 37% and increased crop yields by 22%. Also noting that other GMO crops have been modified with genes that help them survive stressful conditions like drought and can now resist diseases. When farmers are spending less on crops, it allows them to sell crops at lower prices. That makes it in the end cheaper for consumers. Now that we have talked about how GMOs make crops cheaper for consumers, we will move on to how genetically modified organisms have an added nutritional value. According to allianceforscience.cornell.edu, about 800 million people worldwide are currently suffering from hunger, and about 2 billion people suffer from some type of nutritional deficiency. Through the use of GMOs, scientists are working to develop staple crops with higher nutritional levels. These crops allow access to specific nutrients through their daily diets. Some examples include rice in Asia, sorghum and banana in Africa, and corn in Latin America. GMOs are the key to alleviating malnutrition worldwide. To recap, GMOs are essential to us because they are better for the environment, they are inexpensive, and finally they have added nutritional value. So, in the end, we have seen how GMOs are not as bad as people make it seem. Thank you for your time.